Apple MFI certified. Ensures complete compatibility with iPhone 13, 12, 11, 13, 12, 11 Pro, 13, 12, 11 Pro Max, 13 12 Mini, XS, XS Max, XR, X, 8 Plus, 8 7 Plus, 7 6s Plus, 6s, 6 Plus, 6 5 S, 5C, 5, iPhone SE1, SE2, iPad Pro, 12.9 in, 10.5 in, 9.7 in, iPad Pro 2, 12.9 in, iPad Air, Air 2, Air 3, iPad Mini, Mini 2, Mini 3, Mini 4, Mini 5, iPad 9th Gen, iPod Touch 5th Gen, iPod Nano 7th Gen and Beats Pill Plus. New MFI certified chipset. This iPhone charging cable uses Apple's original C89 smart chip to recognize and connect to your Apple devices immediately. MFI certified cables provide a safe and stable charging solution for your devices. Incredible charging speed. Wide diameter wires and reduced cord resistance maximize charging speed, supports up to 2.4 amps charging current. Added protection. An additional layer of protection has been added to the Lightning and USB ends to improve durability and reduce fraying. Cables have been tested to bend 90 degrees 20,000 times. Secure fit. Sturdy unibody connectors resist damage while ensuring a secure fit with every insertion. What you get. Amazon Basics Lightning to USB cable, worry-free lifetime warranty and dedicated Amazon customer service. Top reviews from the United States. Love these chargers. I've had a couple of these and I like them a lot. The cord is long and sturdy and it charges my phone pretty quickly, haven't had any issues.